Do you want to know how to appeal if your Roblox account got banned? Roblox can ban accounts if they think someone broke the rules or if other players report you. If you believe the ban was a mistake or want to try to get your account back, this video will help. I'll show you how to appeal your Roblox ban step by step. Let's get started. Before starting, review your moderation message. Roblox usually sends a moderation message explaining why you were banned, how long the ban lasts, and if you can appeal. Carefully read this message to understand your ban. Now move on to the solutions. If your ban is eligible for appeal, open a browser, then go to roblox.com/support. Here, fill in your account information, your exact username, your first name, and your email. Write your email again to confirm. Next, select your device. I'm going to choose PC. Now for the help category, select account hacked or can't log in. Then under the issue, pick other login issues. In the description box, explain clearly why you believe your ban was a mistake. Once you've filled everything out, click continue to send your appeal. Roblox usually replies within 24 to 48 hours, but it might take longer depending on how many appeals they have. Keep checking your email, including your spam or junk folder, for updates. Once they reach out to you, I hope your problem will be solved. So that's how you can appeal if your Roblox account got banned. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.